In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate or flip text in a Google Slides presentation. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or just having fun with design, knowing how to manipulate your text can boost your layout creativity. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type Google Slides, or simply click on the Google Apps icon to find Google Slides in your Google Workspace tools. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, make sure you sign in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a button prompting you to do so. Enter your credentials and you'll soon find yourself in the Google Slides home interface, where all your presentations are neatly organized. Now that you're on the Google Slides homepage, you can create a new presentation. You have the option to choose a blank presentation or select from one of the available templates that suit your style or theme. Templates can provide a useful layout structure if you're unsure where to start and would like a design that's more visually appealing without spending too much time. With your new presentation open, locate the text that you want to work with. Click on the text box containing the text you'd like to rotate or flip. Once the text is selected, look at the top menu bar and find the Arrange option. Click on that to open a drop-down menu with various sorting options for the elements in your slide. Within the Arrange menu, you'll see an option labelled Rotate. Hover over this to reveal another set of choices. Here you can choose to rotate your text in different degrees, such as 90 degrees to the right or left to fit your desired look. Keep in mind that slight rotations can really enhance a dynamic layout or simply help to accommodate the text more neatly into your slide's design. In addition to rotating, you also have the option to flip the text. Just below the rotation options in the Arrange menu, you'll find the Flip command. Clicking on Flip allows you to flip the text horizontally or vertically, offering even more creative possibilities for when you want to mirror your text or create a unique design effect. And that's all there is to it. From a simple rotate to a complete flip, these methods are great for making your slides stand out with a professional touch. With a few clicks, you're enhancing your presentations with custom text orientations. This can add a layer of creativity that captures your audience's attention in any setting. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.